I just want to go to bed.
I got 4 hours of restful sleep.
What am I doing wrong?
Some say you could break a bad habit in 21 days. We're testing this theory by following real people on their journey to break real bad habits and create healthier ones. Will they succeed? This is 21 Days.
My name is Vanessa. I'm 27 years old and I intentionally stay up all hours of the night. I definitely feel like I've lost control of my life when it comes to sleeping. I should be in bed realistically by like 11, but I'm never in bed by that time. I'm probably going to sleep like 1 a.m. 1 a.m., 1:30. I'm waking up every 2 hours. I just can't sleep well.
I'm so frustrated.
I'm really tired.
Just another night, no sleep.
So right now for work, I work for an IT company.
But my real passion is acting. In 2019, I left my hometown in New Jersey and moved to Los Angeles to pursue my dream.
It's definitely one of my biggest stressors. I'm constantly submitting myself, constantly auditioning, and not really being where I want to be. And I feel like at night, I'm just constantly also thinking about that. Like, what can I do that will make me better? It feels very overwhelming that I can't shut my brain off.
I'm thinking about all these different things.
On a weekday, I probably get anywhere from like 4 to like 6 hours. On my worst night of sleep, I usually get 3 to 4. I've been struggling with this for about 5 years now. Some of the things that I've tried to do to shut my brain off is I'll just turn on the TV. I kind of just keep pressing next. I really have no time for myself throughout the day. When I get home at night, it's my time to like decompress, and watching shows is that for me.
Trying to get some work done. Stayed up again last night, binge watching.
My lack of sleep is definitely affecting my social life. If I ever get invited somewhere and it's super early in the morning, I tend to not want to go because I want to sleep in.
My friends want to go to breakfast.
I'm so tired.
And then my friends get upset and my family gets upset, and yeah. In the next 21 days, I would like to improve just how many hours I'm sleeping on a daily basis. I want to be able to sleep 8 hours. If I can get to a place where I have like a longer day because I'm not sleeping in and being able to enjoy things that I love and spending time with people I love, it would like change my life.
It's 8:40 a.m. and I've already snoozed like 6 times. I need to get up because I have to work at 9 a.m.
Just got off work. I didn't get any sleep last night. Shocker. I am going to sleep early today. Hopefully, if I say it enough, I will actually do it. I have decided that I am going to use a sleep tracker on my phone.
I hope this works. Last night was my first night. This app is showing me that I did terribly and that I got 4 hours of restful sleep. Literally, it looks so bad. I'm shocked.
I'm already on my second cup of coffee, even though I shouldn't be, because I told myself I wasn't going to drink it anymore. But here I am. Cheers. Work was really crazy. Now I'm gonna make some dinner and relax. I need to wake up in 6 hours. I literally can't believe that I did this to myself again.
I got invited to brunch tomorrow with my friends and I'm really conflicted, which kind of sucks because I totally should go. The brunch is at 11, so that means I have to wake up at like 9. I don't know what to do. Sleep is
taking over my life. I bailed on my friends today. I was really tired and I was tossing and turning all night. When my alarm went off, I didn't want to get up. I'm really bummed about it because I miss hanging out with them and it sucks that I choose not to. After bailing on my friends this morning, I felt really terrible and it made me realize that I really need to figure this out. I think I'm going to see a specialist or like an expert. I'm really ready to like just move on from this. I think it's time I get help from someone else.
Hi, Vanessa.
Hi, how are you?
Good. So I'm Dr. Thanuja Hamilton. I'm a sleep physician. Tell me what's been going on.
For the last couple of years, I've been having a really hard time staying asleep while I'm sleeping, and also some nights I have a really hard time going to sleep.
Tell me a little bit more about your evening routine.
I usually will get off of work around 5 or 6, and then I'll just sit there and kind of watch TV. There's times where I'm like, yeah, I do go to bed early, and then I'll just lay there not being able to fall asleep.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, I'm so frustrated because it's something that like has been going on for so long.
It sounds like you have something called revenge bedtime procrastination. You're pulled every direction during the day. You have no control of your day life. And so what you do is you get revenge on your day by taking control at night. So you end up scrolling through social media. You end up binge watching your shows, even when you're exhausted, even when you know you're going to regret it.
Yeah, wow. That's crazy because I had no idea that that's even a thing. Yeah, you're certainly right. I spend 9 hours of my day not being able to do all these things that I want to do outside of my work life.
The best thing you could do for yourself, Vanessa, is to schedule your day. Everybody sets a morning alarm because you don't want to be late for work, but you actually want to set a bedtime alarm. It reminds you every single night, 30 minutes before bed, it's time to sleep. And during those 30 minutes, that's when you want to set a bedtime ritual, whether it's dimming the lights, lighting a candle, having some mood music.
I'm like already thinking of all the ideas of how to make my bedroom a better place for me to want to sleep, and it sounds like I'm gonna be doing some shopping.
I love it. Do a little shopping, but I love that. Get excited about it. A couple of things I would suggest for you. When that alarm goes off, you want to turn off those electronics. Not only do you get sucked in binge watching and scrolling, but also the light prevents your natural melatonin from being secreted. And you want that melatonin to be secreted to help you sleep. You actually sleep better at night by how you start your day. You want to get exercise in the morning. The more awake you are during the day, the more energy you expend during the day, the better you sleep at night. The other thing is, I'd like you to write. I'd like you to write about what you might have thought about last night, what you might think about tonight, what's been bothering you, good things, bad things, whatever it is, whatever comes to your head, write.
Okay, I see exactly what you're saying. Ooh, I'm starting to sweat. This sounds like it's gonna be hard.
You've got to do this because if you don't take steps, it's never going to correct itself. The other thing I would suggest is every single morning, make your bed so that when you walk in and look at it, it's peaceful, it's relaxing, and it's inviting for sleep.
Okay.
Just remember, it's not just these 21 days. These are lifestyle changes, and this is something that you want to continue for the rest of your life.
I don't really talk about my problems a lot, and so I kind of just bury them, and I realized that this was affecting me so much and for so long. I'm excited to get started.
Just take it one night at a time.
Thank you.
After meeting with my doctor, one of the things that stood out to me the most was making my room a sleep oasis. I will make sure to put this out before I go to sleep. Galaxy. Ooh. That sounds calming. Okay, candle is lit, white sounds are playing, lights are on, and I took out all of my devices. Going to stop using my phone now. I'm looking forward to this, y'all. I think it's going to be a game changer. It was my first night trying to follow instructions and it was awful. So exhausted. My sleep app said that I only got 4.5 hours. I'm trying so hard not to feel discouraged, but it's so frustrating. Dr. Hamilton recommended for me to make my bed every morning. I mean, I get it, right? I get it. I also don't see the point of it. I'm gonna just get back into it every night, and I'm the only one who sees it. But I'm going to because it's doctor's orders. I have a lot of pillows. Ta-da! It actually looks pretty cute, I'm not gonna lie.
So I just went on my morning run before work because one of the doctor's orders was to get some sunlight in the mornings. I am feeling a little bit better than I was when I woke up.
A couple things that I've been trying to do that Dr. Hamilton recommended is scheduling out my day and scheduling some me time within my day. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm actually scheduling that out for the rest of my week. I am sticking to this. I am committed. I am trying. And so that's what counts. We're getting there. All right, so it's bedtime. I came across these supplements. They're the Nature Made Sleep Longer supplements. Decided to add them to my nightly routine. All right, time to get ready for bed. I made it halfway through this process. When I first started taking Dr. Hamilton's advice, I was having still a really hard time sleeping. 4 hours and 10 minutes of restful sleep. I only got about 3 hours. Just want to go to bed. I felt like nothing had changed. The other day though, my app says that I slept a restful time of 6 hours and 25 minutes. I'm getting so close. That was the other night and I was just blown away. I wasn't super exhausted. I felt like I could still do stuff. And I went on a run and I realized I need to be consistent with this and make this a lifestyle change. I am running after work. This is crazy because I never have enough energy to do this. I'm soaked, drenched in sweat. And I feel so good. There's some changing happening, folks. Changes happening. Guys, if you don't make your bed every morning, y'all should try it. It really has changed my day. My bedtime alarm. Journaling is actually really helping me. I've been falling asleep faster. Day 20. Some good news. I got 7 hours of restful sleep. Listen, again, it's still not perfect, but 7 is, compared to where I've been, amazing. Tomorrow's my final day. I have something really special planned for tomorrow that I'm looking forward to, and I have to get up really early to do it. So I'm currently on a hike, slightly out of breath, but super energized. I am still so shocked. I can't believe I actually got up early to watch this, but it is insane. Look at how beautiful that looks. Walking up to see that sunrise, I honestly, I couldn't believe it in the moment that I was doing that. I can't believe I'm here. I still have one more thing to do. Hey girl! Look at you!
Nice to see you.
Good. Went on a hike this morning. I woke up at 5 a.m.
5 a.m.
Seeing my friends felt great to be there full of energy and happy and just sit down for a simple breakfast with them.
It's nice that you're doing things to change. You know, the fact that you went to go see a doctor, you're changing your room around. A lot of people don't take those steps.
Sleeping for me used to really feel like a daunting task, but now it's just a part of my everyday life. I go to sleep every day at the same time. I'm also journaling throughout my days. All these things that I'm thinking about, I write them out, and so they're not just like sitting in my brain. It feels awesome because I'm not going to sleep with like all the stress. You know, I'm already starting to see change, and so I can't wait to see what I accomplish. I completed my 21 days, and I'm just so excited, over the moon, and I just can't wait to keep tackling this. If you're struggling, trust me, you're not going through this alone. And if you need help, just ask.